Alright, I get home. This is what I see. I'm still in my car. But they were right up by my car. It was so cool, but of course I messed up the video. But there's the butt of the pony and donkey. Let's see what they want. They probably want to go in. What do you want? Bet you guys want to go in. Is that the issue? Cashew. You guys want to go in the barn? You want to go in? So what it is it's going to rain, and they say hi. Yep. My pony boy. Alright. You guys want to come in? Come on. Want to come in? Want to come in? Yep. That's what they want. Come on, guys. And this is where they want to go. See if the pigs come out. It's a day in the life of a farmette. That's what we call it, because it's small. Alright, come on, guys. Ready? Come on. Come on. I know. Here comes Law. Hey, Law. Hi, Law. Hi, Law. Just shut this so that you don't not get out. Oh, what are you yelling at? Oh, because Cash. He's afraid of the donkey. Let's see if I can pet him. Hi, babe. This is Law. Say hi. Hi, babe. Hey. No, Cash. He will kick him. That's why he's running in there. What, Law? I know. Right? I don't have anything. So, there they go. Bye, guys.